So, Jai Hind student. Now I'm going to introduce a new topic, that is laws of exponents. Law of exponent you have already studied in previous class. It was also in class 8th. So the same topic we are going to introduce. You can see here that let a is greater than 0 be a real number and p and q be rational numbers, then we have p and q be rational number. It is not integers, it is rational number. It is not natural number, it will be rational number, right? So if a is real number and p and q are rational number, so we can say that if a to the power p into a to the power q, your base is same. When base is same and power is different, then base will retain and power will be added. Base will remain same and power will be added. So a to the power p into a to the power q, a to the power p plus q. In this case, a to the power p to the power q. So power will get multiply and base will remain same. So a to the power p into q. In this case, bases are same but powers are different and there is division. So a, when base are same, powers are different and there is division between, so a will remain same, base will remain same and power will be subtracted. So p minus q, denominator will come upside, will become minus q. Now here see, bases are different but powers are same, so base will get multiply and power will be same, a into b to the power p. Now we will take some example. See here we have some example. In this case, base are same and powers are different, so base will be remain same and power will get added from the first law of exponent, that is base same, power different, so power will get added here. Now so 6 will remain 6 same, power will be added, 2 to the power 2 upon 5 plus 3 upon 5. Base will be added, base will take the LCM of 5, become 5, 2 plus 3, so 5 upon 5 equal to 6. 5 upon 5 it will become 5 upon 5 1, or you can also write 6, right? So here again bases are same but powers are different, so power will get subtracted, base will remain same. 1 to the power 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 5, when we'll take LCM of 4 5 become 20, 5 4 ja 20, 5 1 ja 5 and 4 1 ja 4, 5 minus 4 1 upon 20. In the third example, you can see that powers are same but bases are different, so power will remain same and base will get multiplied. 3 5 ja 15 to the power 1 upon 4. Next question, base 3 to the power 4 to the power 1 upon 4, so power will get multiplied, so 3 to the power 4 into 1 upon 4, 4 cancel, 2 to the power 1 it will be 3. In this case 49 to the power 1 upon 2. Now 49 can be write as in the form of exponent 7 square, or 7 into 7, 7 is square to the power 1 upon 2, so power will get multiplied, 2 into 1 upon 2, 2 cancel, it will be. See the next example, 25 to the power 3 upon 2. So 25 can be write as 5 square. 5 5 are 25, so 25 can be 5 square to the power 3 upon 2. So 5 to the power 2 into 3 upon 2, 2 cancel, 5 to the power 3, it will be 125. Come to the next question, 64 to the power 1 upon 2, 64 to the power minus 1 upon 2. So 64 can be write as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 6 times 2. So 2 to the power 6 to the power minus 1 upon 2, power to the power, so power will get multiply, so 2 to the power 6 into minus 1 upon 2, 2 3 ja 6 and 3 into 1 minus 3, 2 to the power minus 3, it will become 1 upon 2 to the power 3, because here power is negative, so it will go in denominator, so 1 upon 2 to the power 3, 2 2 ja 4 2 ja 8, so 1 upon 8 will be the final result. So these all are the some examples based on law of exponent. Thank you.